Hello everyone, welcome to the one question series of Avlokan IAS, and today we are back with one more question that is asked in CSAT 2024 and it belongs to the topic number system. The question is, let P and Q be positive integers. Mark this thing, positive integers. In positive integers, 0 is not included. That means natural numbers. Satisfying P is less than Q. Okay. Second condition is P plus Q equals to K. What is the smallest value of K that does not determine P and Q uniquely? Okay, so since P is less than Q, let us say that P is 1 and Q is 2. If P is 1, Q is 2, then what will be K? Let me write P, Q, K. P is 1, Q is 2, K is 3. That means 3 is the value for which there is only one answer, that is PQ is having only 1 or 2 and the answer of K is 3. अब अगली वैल्यू क्या हो सकती है K की? 4. तो 4 के लिए अब चेक करेंगे क्या क्या ऑप्शंस हो सकते हैं. 1, 3. We cannot take 2, 2. Why? Because P is less than Q. Next, what is the value? 5. So 5 can be 1, 4. Also, it can be 2, 3. So see, if we are given the value of K, suppose I am saying I am having value equals to 5 and I am saying that P is less than Q. Can you tell me what is the value of P and Q uniquely? No, there can be either P can be 1 or 2, Q can be 4 or 3. So that means 5 is my answer. It is the smallest value of K that does not determine P and Q uniquely. So it was a simple question. Let's move on to our today's practice question. The question is, giving two positive integers u and v with u is less than v and v plus u equals to s, for what smallest value of s does there exist more than one ordered pair u, v? Try to solve this question. It is similar to the previous one and you can get the answer on our Telegram channel. Thank you. We'll meet again tomorrow.